come with the money. So go and video me well. Media, you are going to, in the morning, I need newspaper headline. Popular MC supports Benue State Governor.
Let me appreciate God Almighty for the gift of life and the gift of today and the gift of all of us that are here tonight to celebrate ourselves and to celebrate God for His grace and mercies upon our lives. And to appreciate especially our sons. Incidentally, there was none of our daughters from the states, outside the states, who are visiting today. But we appreciate all of you and to thank God for your lives, for your struggle, for your resilience and perseverance and faith and hope for a new Benue and a new Nigeria. And thank you for your presence here, all of you. I remember that Terence drew my attention to your presence in the States. I'm in anticipation that I was going to host you to a concert. Unfortunately, we were not able to do it due to the challenges we had. So it was not planned for. But I did plead and persuaded you to at least, it is said that half a loaf is better than none. So even if we cannot have the opportunity of hosting all of you at the public square or at the stadium, let us have the privilege of doing what we have done tonight. And thank you very much for accepting, because I'm aware that some of you had engagements in other parts of the country, and we were able to travel even yesterday. And to have hope and a better future. The entertainment industry is very huge and has a lot of potentials that can generate revenue, that can generate opportunities, and can create jobs for our teeming youth who are on the street. Benue State today, with Benue State University, with UniAgric, with College of Advanced and Professional Studies, with University of Nkara, with College of Agriculture, Yande, with Benue Polytechnic, Obuku. And our intention to turn the College of Education, the College of Agriculture and College of Advanced Professional Studies to Polytechnics. So much have been gotten in the education industry. We have so much and so much talent. Listening to you tonight, I believe that most of our youth will also pick interest and begin to find ways of doing it, because government at the local government, state and federal level will no longer have the capacity to provide jobs for all of this. But we must be creative. And globally, what is happening, whether in China, in America, in Europe, or other parts of the world that are making it today, I'm aware, having the privilege of traveling to most of these countries, I've discovered, or continents, I've discovered that it is the private sector that supports and create jobs, create opportunities, and create wealth for our people. And so governments of various countries regulate, provide policy, and provide monitoring to ensure compliance.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.